Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rashid, and if you're new here, please make it a point to subscribe. If you haven't turned on the bell button, please do so down below. By turning on the bell button, it gives you access to the latest content whenever I do upload. So this video, guys, it's about my top cinematic gimbal moves, and without wasting any further ado, let's dive into these moves. Someone may ask, what is a gimbal? A gimbal is a mechanical stabilizer that uses 3 axes of rotation to keep the camera steady via 3 internal motors, which compensate for unlimited camera motion and use algorithms to detect when the camera is being moved intentionally, thus giving you smooth moving shots. So basically the first shot I'm going to take is going to be a reveal shot. This is a great way to establish a new scene, and it can also be used at the intro as the establishing shot. And right now what I'm gonna do, it's very simple. I'm just going to walk forward while revealing the camera, while panning the camera up to reveal. So let's see how it goes. The push forward reveal. This is the move to nail fast once you've unboxed your new gimbal. It is very easy to replicate, and it does not require that much of experience and cinematography. So another way to reveal your shot is you can use a foreground element. But in this case, I'm going to be using this tree right over here to reveal the souk just behind me. Basically, just like how you've seen right over there, it requires many takes. Sometimes you need to repeat the shot again, like 2 times, 3 times, so that you can get the perfect shot. So right now the next shot is the crane shot. This is whereby actually you move the gimbal past a foreground element, but from above, as a way of revealing the subject that's at the background. The low rider, it's more so like the push forward, but this one requires lowering the gimbal very near to the ground level, and this can give an illusion that you're moving at a faster pace than you actually are. The orbit requires walking while your camera is locked onto a fixed position, and by the way, all these moves require consistency. Remember that consistency is the key. Adding a small speed ramp into the orbit shot can bring more dynamic into your gimbal move. So that was it all for today, guys. So much hard work has gone into making this video possible. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, and in case you have any further questions, let me know. I can't wait to see you very soon in the next one.